But I want to begin this morning with this overwhelming, overarching thought in mind that God loves us, that God loved the world, and that when we read the verses that we've read in Mark chapter 15, we must read them in light of this revelation of God himself. Augustine, in the 4th century, remarked that the cross is the pulpit from which God preached his love to the world. That's why we sang the hymn we've just sung, so that we could have in mind the 2 lines inscribed upon the cross we see in shining letters, God is love. In the old hymn, Beneath the Cross of Jesus I fain would take my stand, it has the lines in it, O trysting place, where heaven's love and heaven's justice meet. Quiz. Define tryst. T-R-Y-S-T. Don't go for your phone. What is a tryst? Have you made a tryst? It's a meeting place, but it is more than simply a meeting place. It is an appointed meeting place, and it has particularly to do with a meeting between lovers. So that you may in your past have a trysting place that is known to you and the one who is now your companion in life. Perhaps it was a place by the river, perhaps it was a tree in the woods, perhaps you even went there and took out your penknife and you carved into that trysting place your initials and her initials. A.B. loves S.M.J. It is that picture which the hymn writer picks up, and he says, here in the cross of Jesus Christ, he has inscribed, as it were, a display of his love, and he meets everybody at that place. If you want to meet God, if you want to find out where God is, if you want to know God, if you are wondering about who God is, then the cross is the place to which you go.
My sins washed white, I owe to you.